definitely the ignition coil is good because the video is showing spark. I'm gonna be checking this wire all the way to the distributor, and for me to do that, what I'm gonna do is this wire here, I'm gonna disconnect it from the distributor right there, and I'm gonna install that tester and crank it, see if it has spark. Dele. One more time. Yeah. There is spark right there coming out of this wire. So this wire is sending spark to the distributor. So the distributor is the suspected component at this point. I'm gonna be taking out this wire from the spark plug, and I'm gonna install the tester right there to find out if any spark is coming from the distributor to here. Alright, confirmed, no spark at all as the video showed before. So next I'm gonna be installing the tester directly on the distributor, since there is no spark here, to rule out the wires. I took out one of the wires from the distributor, and in place of the wire I installed the tester right there. Yeah. Okay, there is a little bit of a spark coming out, but very poor, almost nothing. So at this point it seems like the distributor is bad. Very little spark. Now some of you might be asking, how come there is a little bit of a spark on one side and there is nothing on the other side? Well, in my experience, I'm gonna be predicting something, and I hope I'm not wrong, but sometimes the distributor cap, the small pilot where every wire goes, sometimes they wear out unevenly, and the ones that are not entirely bad, those still fire a little bit of a spark, and that's why you get a little bit of spark on one side. Also, I want to say that I will not be checking the electrical connector on the distributor, since there is a little bit of a spark on some wires, so that tells me that I don't have to check the electrical connector on the distributor. Okay, update. I'm gonna install this rotor cap here. See how beautiful it looks inside. Those are Phillips right there, as you can see. Phillips on both sides. Okay, I'm gonna be pulling one by one and put it on the new one. Do not pull out 2 or 3, because you might get confused and then it's gonna be a problem. Now I want to take a look on how this looks like. It's all burnt. It's all burnt right there, but it's this is number 1, number 2, then it's number 7, then number 5, then number 6, then goes number 3, then number 4 here, and number 8. That's how it goes. It's getting a little bit dark here already. It took me some time to install the distributor caps, so let's see what happens. Alright, up and running. Very good. Alright, truck is up and running right now. So the distributor was the problem. I just replaced the cap. Thanks for watching, and God bless you all.